All right, let's close this discussion for now because we have a lot of different things we can talk about. Thank you everybody for participating in that discussion, and I want to point out one thing that you all did really, really well. You notice people disagreed with each other very kindly, right?
And each person will be responsible for one ingredient, okay?
People won't always like the tactic that you do, but if you can make them sympathize with the issue but not the tactic, you can still pull them over to your side. And sometimes the act of doing a controversial tactic in itself makes people like, oh, I agree with their point, but not the way they did it. And that's actually sometimes effective because it seems that they agree with your point and they wouldn't have thought about it otherwise.
I couldn't be more proud of her, a true child of the Green New Deal. When I think back to my first term in Congress, riding that old school Amtrak in 2019, all of this was still ahead of us. And the first big step was just closing our eyes and imagining. We can be whatever we have the courage to see it.
Thea, can you tell me again what you're making?
Take a deep breathing. Bend your elbow. Right leg forward and touch the floor. Touch the heart. Wrist. Ribs. Kai koopit toldu. Tataka deem. Tataka deem. Tataka deem. Make big movements. Deem. Tataka deem. Go other side. Ready. 3, 4. Change. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. We will fix the next movements for them later.
We're currently facing a drought, so we're planting crops that need less water to grow, and we're selling them, demanding higher and fair wages.
For free public transportation, the Sunrise Movement stages a protest in front of the Capitol.
Yeah, we got so much stuff stuck in that tree last night.
Balls, bats, Talia.
Did we find any bags in the tree?
What are you talking about? Bags are already growing on the trees.
Bags grow on trees!
And what makes this Outball game so interesting?
Well, it's highly cooperative, at least within your team. A lot of the more athletic kids realize that if they pass to their teammates and give everyone a chance to throw, then they will actually maximize their own participation.
So the idea was that this was this big American corporation who would follow these great standards, and they would help the farmers, and they would help, making more food, which will really help the people. So in 1984, this was on the night of the 2nd December, they were making a chemical called temic, which is a pesticide. But in order to make this chemical, they were using something called methyl isocyanate. None of their siren systems were working. So even if their safety alarm bells would be working, they could have told people, don't run. Just cover your...
Then what happened when they cut the trees?
Then they couldn't grow any more plants in the winter or when And also there's new
You learned some new what?
moves.
You learned some new moves. Who else learned some new moves?
Really enjoyed the conference. I enjoyed the lawmaking and
Yeah, I like seeing the adults get older.
Oh man, that's
And every one of you has to come back next year wherever we are.
I like the Oh yeah.
Hip hip hooray!
Anyone?
Okay, so this conference so far was pretty good, right? But was it great or really good? Is the question. Everybody say I for if you think that it's great. I, oi, I. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. This conference passes.